See that out there? That's not so pretty.
What that is up there is a test that didn't prove to be 100% successful. See, the mainsail has these carbon fiber battens from CTEC, New Zealand company by the way. Cheers CTEC. And they help to give the sail the right amount of shape. And you need to have a certain degree of stiffness to have the battens and the sail work together in all of the conditions that they need to work. And I was afraid that this one here was too stiff, so we tried one that's significantly softer. Turns out it's too soft. So I'm going to go back to the stiff one, and I'm going to benefit from these lighter conditions here that will allow me to be more maneuverable before I send the code 0. So, this is going to be a big job. Follow along. So there we have it. Mainsail is back up, and that's a heavy lift just for one person, all in one go, all the way from the bottom to the top. Started from the bottom, now I'm here. Oh yeah. Anyway, big lift, big lift, and I've got the flexi batten down here. I'm going to keep that for spares or in case I need a beam or something, but it was just a little too flexi, little too flexi. And so this will help support the head with the stronger winds to come. Of course, in the meantime, the wind has died and it's time to hoist the code 0. Oh, I'll never be finished.